How to enable or disable notifications in Meitu. First of all, open your device settings and scroll down to the Apps or Application Manager section. From the list of installed apps, locate and tap on the Meitu app. Once the app page opens, look for the notification option and tap on it. Here you can toggle notifications on or off according to your preference. Enabling notifications ensures you receive updates about new feature, app promotion, or editing tips, while disabling them helps reduce distraction and prevent unnecessary alert. After adjusting the notification settings, open Meitu to confirm that your preferences are working correctly. You can always return to the settings to change them anytime, giving you full control over how and when the app sends you alert. Now you know how to enable or disable notifications in Meitu. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.